Earning from ads and YouTube Premium in the Shorts fee is possible through a program called the Shorts Monetization Module. Here's a breakdown of how it works. How it works. Become eligible. You'll need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program (YPP). This typically involves having over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year on your channel. Shorts Monetization Module. Once eligible for YPP, you'll need to opt into the Shorts Monetization Module specifically. This allows you to share revenue generated from ads displayed between Shorts videos in the Shorts feed. Ad revenue sharing. YouTube takes a portion of the ad revenue, and the remaining amount is distributed among creators based on factors like views, music usage, and location of viewers. YouTube Premium. A portion of revenue from YouTube Premium subscriptions is also allocated to Shorts creators. This means viewers who have a paid YouTube Premium subscription and watch your Shorts content can contribute to your earnings.